Namaste. Hi everyone. I am Veer Vansh Baitha, headmaster of Sri Adnik Rashtriya Secondary School at Aurachar, Makbanpur, province Bagmati, Nepal. Nepal, where the god Gautam Buddha was born. Highest mountain in the world, which is known as Mount Everest, is also located in our country. My birthplace is Tarai, which is known as Madhes, attached with north border of India. I have completed B.Ed specialization in science, M.Ed in educational planning and management. I have been teaching for 36 years. Now I become headmaster of my school. Our school, Sri Adnik Rashtriya Secondary School, which is completely government community school, was established in
त्यसैले त निजी
1967
विद्यालयका
AD
मात्र होइन
or
तराईकै विभिन्न
2024
जिल्लाका
BS.
विद्यार्थीहरू
We have
नजिकै
already
डेरा लिएर
celebrated
भए पनि
Golden
यस
Jubilee
विद्यालयमा
years ago
अध्ययन गर्ने गरेका छन्।
with different programs.
अभिभावकसँग
Our
निरन्तर
school is
छलफल
located
र
in industrial
विद्यार्थी
district
मात्र होइन
and green city,
शिक्षकको समेत
Tatora, sub-metropolitan. It was started by a small house, but now there are 10 buildings with 75 number of rooms and other physical infrastructure. Our school has been leading for 15 years in located district, Makbanpur, and according to same marking system of Ministry of Education, Science and Technology, Nepal, our school ranked the 4th in Central Region and 5th in national level in Nepal. 2,500 students are studying in our school, which is in rank between 1 to 5 in whole country. We have well-managed science lab with essential equipments, mathematics lab, computer lab, vertical class. We have well-managed library which are separately for primary and secondary level students with 5,000 number of books. In the life of students are full of challenges which they need to face in every turn to develop the appropriate life skills to sustain in this competitive world. We aim to give the best education with a new dimension by blending our strong Nepalese traditions and values with the advanced tools of modern technology to prepare our students to excel in the journey with greater success. I want to make the school of international standard. Our school involves in International Schools Award organized by British Council. In this program, our students and school are internationally connected with different countries. Now, programs are running with India, Pakistan and Bangladesh in different topics of lessons of different subjects like culture, greenhouse effect, awareness for health and human rights. Our school involves in Camera Saika program. Our school only participate from government community school in whole country Nepal. It is also organized by and sponsored by British Council England. We have one bed clinic with nurse. We provide health care to all students and teachers. Our students participate in different events like game, debate, awareness, cultural and so on. For these school activities, all my teachers and students are responsible. Our teachers group helps in my every success. I am being awarded Asia First Brand Leadership Excellence Award under category Asia's Education Award with Asia Best Headmaster Award of the Year. I would like to thank the Asia Award for giving me the opportunity to reach here by selecting to eligible for this award. I am very happy with this achievement as it will increase my prestige and respect and encourage me in the society. I would like to thank RULA Research under Literal Access and the World Congress for this opportunity. I would like to thank my peer friends, all teachers, all the students, all parents and all the members including the chairman of school management committee and all my family members and others who have always supported for this opportunity inside and outside the school. I would like to thank all the stakeholders. At last, I always follow the formula of 3D, which is known as first D, desire, second D, direction and third D, dedication. I like to say I don't compromise against discipline, good governance and rule of law or under pressure from anyone. Thank you.